tomatoes, red, juicy tomatoes. These tomatoes are part of our kitchen, and financial planning is part of our life. And there is one product from the financial products bouquet which matches the tomatoes. Are you surprised? I will tell you one fact. Tomato is really a fruit if you take it scientifically, but we consume it majorly as a vegetable and not as a fruit. So there is similar one financial product which has got multiple uses within the one product. This is Abhay Gadiyar. I am a Mumbai-based financial advisor and counselor, and my website is planyourdreams.in, and that is my consultancy name. Today I am talking to you about the tomato from the financial products category, and that is life insurance. There is this general fear which people feel that life insurance is connected with death, because whenever I go to somebody's house, normally I get this funny response from the lady of the house. वो बोलते हैं आप हमारे घर में आते हो और बताते हो कि पतिराज मर गए तो इतना पैसा मिलेगा, ये मर गए तो इतना, 5 साल मरे तो इतना पैसा मिलेगा. This is how you talk only of death. So today I am here to wipe away the misconception that life insurance is not purely about death. There is this risk of living long also, and by living long I am not telling you वो सब अपने संस्कृति में जब लिखा है, जब somebody bends and the elder used to say शतायुषी भव, बेटा 100 साल जियो, मेरी उम्र तुम्हें लग जाए, ये सब बात मैं नहीं करने वाला हूँ. I am talking from research. Okay, in my hand I have a book whose title is The 100-Year Life, Living and Working in the Age of Longevity. The authors are Linda Gratton and Andrew Scott, and this book is very much available on the internet. It clearly tells us that our generation, coming generations, are likely to lead a life of 100 years. It may or may not be a healthy life. It depends on how you are treating your life, how you are treating your health. But you are going to live 100 years. In that case, there is this product of life insurance which pays you both. If you lead a healthy life plus you are fortunate, then it gives you the maturity value. But if you are not, if you are unfortunate, if you have an untimely death much before your financial responsibilities are over, in that case the life insurance policy pays you. So there are two types of product. Okay, one is the pure term insurance, जिसमें you get the money, that is your nominee gets the money only in case of death, in your death, and the endowment type of product which gives you the money if you survive the policy term. It gives a maturity value, and that maturity value is assured tax free even 20, 30, 40 years from now. Today it is guaranteeing that it will be tax free. So that is why I am telling you it's a product of, there are some products which are insurance as well as investment. Both types of product are available within the life insurance space. That is why I call it a tomato. It can be eaten just like a fruit raw. You need not add anything to a tomato, just like we have a normal salad, or you can cook it and have it like a vegetable, prepared cooked vegetable. You can have it as a sauce, you can have it as a ketchup, so many things. So now what I want you to do is calculate your retirement fund, what you would like to get what you want to get, calculate what is the risk you would like to have in your life, that is in case of your premature death, how much your family should get, how much your financial dependent will get. Do this exercise today and decide to buy life insurance today only. Thank you so much.